Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold, silver and palladium. As this is an intraday, we're gonna see what's going on here with the silver and the gold to figure it out what is the next move. So basically today we mentioned that we might still get this wave four in two probabilities. The first probability is a triangle here where we might have an A, B, C, D and an E, but obviously the invalidation of the triangle taken, giving us another probability here for something higher, of course, unfolding for a wave four. Now, is it a green flag? Well, it is very close. Yeah, it's very close to a green flag. 4,126 here is our invalidation for the bearish scenario where we are still looking for a potential 1, 2, 3 here, and then 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. You have double 1, 2, unless also we can consider that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, but the wave 4 touched already the zone 1 there, but within the wick. So if this happens, like the invalidation is not 100% here taken because just it is the wicks that it has touched here, that means of course it can be a finished impulse here, and it can be probability that we are shifting to something higher. And that means also that you can have finished here a large 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're looking to alternate this wave 2 there, meaning a large 1, 2, 3 and a large wave 4 and a 5. In this case, only we need, of course, a signal for it, which is, of course, the invalidation of the bearish here. And to make sure that we are making a transition to the next level for this wave 4, because this wave 4 targets are, of course, a little bit higher than the previous one, which is the following here, which is the invalidation, by the way. And that's why I'm waiting for the invalidation in case that we are in a finished impulse there, just because of the invalidation here internally can be negligible regarding the wicks. So yeah, we'll see if this is the case. That means we might come back for this wave 4 over there, guys, which is between the 4K $250, 4K 133. But of course, in case this happens, don't forget that the timing is very essential as well. And that means that we might still need another move here, sideways or toward the upside. So the timing for a wave 4 here starts at least from the 0.38, or at least I would say 0.618 here, to finish this wave 4 over there. And that means it can be, of course, something impulsive, wave 3, 4, and a 5, A, and then having wave B again toward the downside, and then pushing wave C toward the upside, or again, W, X, and a wave Y, that it might range longer time before we dive deeper again in this blue zone in confluence here to finish up the thing. So basically, this is what it might happen in case only, again, the key level 4,126 is taken. This is the only way where I will make a transition to this wave 4, and consider that this invalidation there is negligible, just hitting the wicks, right? And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 waves finished. Okay. In this case, we push in a larger wave 4 and then wave 5 later on. Yep, so that was it for the gold. Here, this is the next scenarios. For the silver, we are also still looking for a wave 4 in the red zone. We didn't yet hit it even, right? So we're still looking for that. Because we are here also in a wave 2, which is also, I would say, a shallow one. So expect a high wave 4. Now, the timing is nice, already taken, and you have 3 waves here. So it's already saying that this is something corrective, like 3 waves, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave C. As we mentioned, 1-to-1 Fibonacci level 1.05, $59 is very likely, and here we are. Now, basically, this impulse is coming to an end, honestly. So we have 1, 2, and a wave 3, 4, and a 5. So your wave 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending diagonal. So we gotta be careful. The structure is very close to finish. So we might drop down again for the massive wave 5. And that means also with the silver, well, the silver is a little bit much more clearer, as invalidation has been taken here, yeah, and not just like by the wicks. Maybe let me check. Yeah, well, yeah, like the body of the candle has been hit here. So I cannot call really that this is like not an invalidation. I believe that's still double 1 2 here, and it's hard to say like 1 2 3 4 5 unless expanding diagonal. Yeah, so if this is an expanding diagonal, which is very rare case scenario normally, um, yeah, but this is not looking like one of them yet. Because anyway, 63.36 is our key level. This is our green flag. We're still very far from it, I would say, and we might still push toward the downside sooner or later. So yeah, I don't see yet. Of course, like this move is maybe something interesting, but at the end, we need it because we need to finish the structure as a wave C and then pushing down again for the silver. So that was it for the gold and silver. Let's see palladium. So for palladium as well, we are looking anyway for higher today. We mentioned this. So here we are. This is our blue zone hit and taken. And we are testing at least here an area with a red zone here, which is a 0.38 Fibonacci level, 1216. And that might be taken in double 1 2 3 4 5 4 5. Well, it can be, of course, another wave C to hit even the next testing area as a wave 2 as well before we continue the drop in case we are going to be bearish. But normally we are currently bullish on the macro, yeah, and we were looking for this zone to finish the structure here as a potential ending diagonal 1 2 3 4 5, and this is the area where we should finish our structure, and it happened. And currently we see kind of a signal of strength but not completed yet. Of course, we got the 5 ways up, but those 5 ways up look like expanding diagonal again, which is very rare, meaning higher probability can be double 1 2 as an impulse, A, B, and a C, meaning higher prices. And this is where we start to confirm, okay, something impulsive is shifting toward the upside. The trend is shifting for higher. Then we're going to get the correction, and we need, of course, the confirmation there. And from here, we're going to watch, of course, this area. Yeah, so in case that we trace again the wave 2 over there and then push towards the lower prices, wave 3. That was it for the gold, silver, and palladium, the intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.